Hi everyone, welcome to Waec tutorials. In this tutorial I want to show you how you can paste a data set without the border. If you look at the data set here, you can see that there is a border around the data set. So how can we do this pasting without borders? Now I'm going to select the data set, then I click on copy. If I use my regular paste, click on my destination where I want it paste and I just say paste, you can see that it's pasting with the border. But if I don't want the border to be applied to my pasting, I'll come down here and click on this no borders, so I say paste. So if I paste now, you can see that this is pasting without the border. Let me try that again. I go down and click on paste, the arrow below paste, then I click on this no borders. You can see it's pasting without a border. So that is the work of paste without, that is how to do your pasting without the border. Thank you. See you in the next video.